What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. Today's vlog, we are in Oahu, Hawaii, and we are going hiking. That's right, we got a hiking vlog. Woo, maybe not. That's too steep. We don't want to go up. No, never mind. After all, why use leg power when you can use horsepower? That's right, we got a new car, and it's right over there. And when I say new car, I didn't actually buy a new car. Actually, I did. You don't know about it, but it's not in Hawaii. It's in a different state. The car we have here is a rental, and it's okay, but it's the right way to do Hawaii. And that new car I'm talking about is not the Challenger Hellcat. I bought a different vehicle since then. I'm stoked about it, but it's gonna take a minute to reveal it. You're gonna have to be patient with me, so just hang tight. Check out these views though. This is incredible. This is Hawaii right there, folks. And here's the vehicle, baby. That's right, we got a Mustang EcoBoost, but it's a rental, and that's what they are. You can't do anything about it, but it is a convertible because you got views. You need a convertible. You need the roof when you need it. Yeah, it's going. I don't know if that made sense, but the top's going up just in case. Don't want to mess up my hair. Simple twist. Oh, simple. Okay, awkward. Simple twist and pull. There we go. Now we're good. All right, what kind of ponies we got? Punch it. Punch it. I'm not gonna punch it. There was a top right behind me, so we're gonna go gentle. It's raining, and I'm glad the top is up. Although I'd be fine, I can handle it, but I'm glad it's up. Just like that, the rain has stopped, and wait for it. Yeah. I had a 6-hour plane ride. Can you blame me? Plus, I'm gonna be eating Hawaiian food. Don't worry, for like the next 2 days, every meal. So I'm gonna get some good Hawaiian food in. Don't worry. Now I'm aware there's a good chance it's gonna rain on us again, but the top's going down, and we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, we got the Hawaiian drencher right now. They're brief. It should be over in a couple minutes, but we might get soaked before then, unless we can hold speed. If we hold speed, the water just like, because it's streamlined, because it's a Mustang, because it's built for aerodynamics. Oh, that was a bad decision. Oh, it's getting worse. Shoot. We need speed. Oh my goodness. Put the top up. Why did I? Oh, is that hail? Is it hailing? Does it hail in Hawaii? I don't know, but it's getting water everywhere. Oh, woo, it's down my back. I think we're through most of it. Woo. Okay, we're through most of it. I mean, it's beautiful. Can you blame me for having the top down? I don't mean to be dramatic, but that was intense. All right. Here's the ocean, baby. Look at that. Also, that's where Jurassic Park was filmed. And I'm sorry if I just bursted your bubble, but Jurassic Park was a fictional movie. There are no dinosaurs. It was filmed in Hawaii. I'm sorry, it's the truth. The rain has subsided, and we've made it here at Turtle Bay. We got golf courses, beautiful grass, and the ocean is right there. And the top goes... Wait. And the top goes up, baby.
Sounded good.
And we're back. We just finished 18 holes of golf at the Turtle Bay Resorts, the Palmer course. I did not play well. I shot mid-80s, to be honest, but it was beautiful. Yesterday we had the funeral services for Auntie Sugar. She battled ALS for years. It was a tragic and difficult thing. Her family supported her. She maintained a positive spirit through the whole thing. If you or someone you know is going through something difficult, I wish you nothing but the best. Best wishes, sending love your way. All right, cold startup 2020 EcoBoost Mustang. Oh, listen to the purr, the ponies, baby. Because there's nothing like having a hand at 1 o'clock on the steering wheel, cruising through some palm trees, a slight ocean breeze, beautiful clear-ish skies. But now we're gonna flip it over into sport mode, wait for traffic to clear, and then see what she's got. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. We're going. We're trying to go. We're still going. And okay. Now we know that's the Subaru WRX. I couldn't tell, I had to catch up. That's the course I just played, and I was very fortunate that I did not hit any balls into the road. I did not hit any cars. Now I know a while ago James came down to Hawaii and bought a Ford GT ripped around Oahu in a Ford GT. That is truly the best way to travel Oahu, Hawaii, but I don't have Ford GT money. What I have is a rental of a stock Mustang, but convertible, and I'm gonna be straight up, if you don't have Ford GT money, this is how you travel Hawaii. Maybe you get a Jeep and take the top off of that, which is also nice, not a bad way to go, but you got to put the top somewhere of the Jeep. It's kind of inconvenient in that regard, whereas this one just disappears in the trunk. But regardless, Jeep open top life, Mustang open top life, that's the way to travel Hawaii. Also, we have another rainstorm that might be pending. Now, I know a while ago it was impossible to rent a car in Hawaii. There were no cars available, prices were crazy expensive, but it seems to me that prices have normalized a little bit. There's cars available. I had my pick of the litter with this red beauty, the beautiful Bombshell. Oh, listen to that transmission. We're in sport mode. We're sitting at 3,800 RPM. And she's, I gotta say, the performance, I don't know. Okay, check this out. This is pretty sick. Talk about views on views. As James would say, let's get the drone in 3, 2, 1. I'm just kidding. We don't have the drone here. I didn't bring it. I'm sorry. But what we do have is better. That's because we have a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder Ford EcoBoost engine. That's right, 21 mpgs in the city, 32 in the highway, 310 horsepower, and guess what? It's never blown up, at least not yet. Give me a few minutes. Now we're in Laie. Real quick, I gotta get some fuel. Also, we have a low pressure tire warning light on. One thing about Fords, no gas cap. It's seriously one of the best things. Although in Hawaii, or at least this gas station, the lever doesn't work, so I have to hold it the whole time. Also, my sister's here now. All right, now before everyone clicks away, I got to show you something that is very important. Also, I have a question for you, very important. Let's go. All right, we're over here at the BYU Hawaii campus. I got to give a quick shout out to my sister who played volleyball here many years ago, but that's not why we're here. We're here because I need you all to go to my Instagram story and vote on which wide body kit to put on my Challenger Hellcat. Yes, that's right. We're going to wide body it. It's not a surprise. I told you all we're going to do it. I just don't know what kit to use. So go to the Instagram story now and vote and tell me what kit to do. And please do it now because we're getting dizzy. This is my 5th take and we've literally done 40 circles around this roundabout. My sister's gonna vomit, I'm gonna vomit, and people are looking at us. So do me a favor, hit the link below and go to the Instagram. Also gotta give a quick shout out to any of you that attend BYU Hawaii. Let's go Seasiders. Now, if this isn't proof enough that the convertible life is the way to go in Hawaii, I don't know what else to do for you. I don't know how else to twist your arm because this is incredible. Now, I will admit the EcoBoost engine, it's lacking. The shifts are hard, but you're not going to rent a GT350 from Alamo. You're not going to get a Hellcat from Alamo. It's not going to happen. This is as good as it can get for a normal rental car, and I'm not complaining at all. The mountains here are so incredible. They're so steep, they're so green, they're just beautiful. Also, wait, what is it? We got a tunnel. It's a baby tunnel. Let's hear that exhaust. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. How's that for an exhaust note? We're not even in sport mode engaged. Let's go. Listen to it, baby. EcoBoost. EcoBoost, environmentally friendly, doesn't sound good. And guess what? We're super lucky that it's not raining on this side of the island either, because we were not going to put the top up regardless, and I did not want to return this with a puddle of water in the seat. That would have been awkward. All right, we made it here at Alamo. It is not sponsored, but one thing I got to say about the Mustang, it's a little bit of a knock that the Challenger exceeds that. I could not fit the golf clubs in the travel case while it was in the car, so I had to keep it separate, and now I have to put the golf clubs in the travel bag at the rental car return because, like, it's the only option I had. I'm actually excited for this flight because I'll show you. That's right, baby. We're flying first class. We're going to sleep good tonight. 8 o'clock. We're going to land at 6 hours. It'll be 6 a.m. in Utah. We got to get some sleep. Mustang because it's built for aerodynamics. Oh, that was a bad decision. Oh, it's getting worse. Shoot. We need speed. Oh my goodness. Put the top up. Why did I? Oh.